everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to join a group chat on Facebook Messenger. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by clicking open your Facebook Messenger application and make sure to sign into your account if necessary. Click open a group that you would like to start a chat on, or you can simply search for the group name in the search field at the top left. Once you click open the conversation, simply go to the type a message text field at the bottom. Type in your text message that you would like to send to a particular group. Once you type in your text message, send it to the contacts, and that is it. Joining a group chat on Facebook Messenger will help you connect with multiple people at a time. That is how you can easily start a group chat on Facebook Messenger. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.